Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I went to the Habitat for Humanity Restore today and scored quite a haul. This is a little saw set. It's a Morrell type. Nice for small blades. Price was $2. Then this is a Stanley 750. Now, it's in pretty bad shape. Somebody snapped off the end of the blade, and the handle is pretty well screwed. But the blade itself is in good shape, and it's 50 cents. And this is a no-name combination square. At least I can't read a name on it because it's too dirty. But it was $2. It's got a cast iron slider on it. Doesn't have the scriber, but it's got a cast iron slider, and it squares up okay. Holds. Good deal at $2. And this thing is a gimmick. But it's the kind of gimmick that actually is worthwhile getting because it's a gimmick for sharpening saw blades. Clamp the file in here, slide this over the blade itself, holds it in line, and then this swings around and you can sharpen your saw blades. Set the angle. It's going to be pretty cool. And this, I don't know if it's a good deal or not. It's a little Quartz Light, and you know, a little clip lamp kind of thing that I can clip to a beam or clip to something in the workshop, and when you guys want to see something, I can give you some more light. This is a really good deal. This is $2. Made in USA. It's from the 50s. Needs some oil, but got the springs in the chuck. Everything looks good. $2. Quite the deal. And this is another one of those that I'm not really sure about. It's a belt sander. Now somebody has welded this onto the belt, onto the platen, to make it so that they had a platen to support the belt. I would rather bolt it down than weld it, but I can probably cut that loose and make it work. This was $8. And this is a Power Kraft, which tells me wards. It's fairly recent, not in the greatest shape, but it's a 4-inch vise. Got a good thread on it. Jaws open and close. Price is $8. It just needs a shaft on it. These are going anywhere from $35 to $40. So that's my run to the Habitat for Humanity Restore. I hit it on a good day. There's a ton of stuff here. Must be somebody just like me died because I wanted to take everything home with me. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.